Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can activate Google Assistant on your Vernee smartphone. So we got two methods. I will show you the first one. We have to click and hold the home button. So click hold, and as you can see right now pop the notification that we can turn on our Google Assistant by clicking right here. And as you can see right now it's turned on. And we can also make it for the second way. So we have to go for the Google application. Then we have to click on the left upper corner, move to the settings. Go right here for the settings of the Google Assistant, and then find your device in the devices. And here we get the switcher. We can turn off and turn on Google Assistant by clicking on the switcher. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.